Hey everyone, welcome to Make It with Tiltunes. This vlog has been long overdue. I shot half of the footage for it way back during Onam, and it's been 7 years since I last celebrated Onam with my family. And finally, I'm back to my roots, chilling at home, resting and having fun with my parents and my little sister. So this year for Onam, it's all about tradition. In Kerala culture, it is traditional to create floral decorations on the floor during the Onam festival. So that's exactly what we did. My mom, my sister and I, along with my baby cats. They had a lot of fun. Once everything was done and Onam was officially over, we placed all the flowers beneath the sacred Tulsi plant. And also we had the cutest little visitor. Then all of a sudden, my mom had this idea to naturally dye one of her old saris with the leftover petals. So we took everything back and spread out a muslin-like cloth, which is the traditional Kasavu Munde of Kerala. We scattered all the petals all over the fabric, rolled it up like a burrito and steamed it. So none of us are experts at this. It's just that my mom had watched a video and wanted to try it, and I wanted to help her out. But we had so much fun during the process. Once everything was steamed and cooked, we took it out to dry, and this is the color we got at first. Everything was so bright and pretty to look at. However, the fabric was quite short and wasn't enough to make the dress that I had in mind. So my mom picked another sari. Saris are usually at least 5 meters long, and we repeated the entire process using the leftover flower petals. By this point though, the flowers are started to rot a little. Let me show you what happened next. We scattered the petals again, rolled the fabric into a burrito, tied it and steamed it. Also, meet my baby dogs. Say hi to Blackberry and Kunapu. After steaming, we left the fabric out to dry, but then this happened. I got engaged and got caught up with everything in between. Over the next few months, the fabric ended up sitting in the cupboard for at least 2 months. When I finally returned to it, the once gorgeous vibrant reds and violets had faded into a dull brown and greyish color. No hard feelings though. We decided to work with what we had. After washing the fabric and letting it dry, it became all crinkled. And of course, my cat Leo, who has an obsession with fabrics just like his mama, wouldn't leave it alone. I had to iron it, which is not my strongest skill. I burned so many fabrics in this house. Still, I gave it a try because I didn't want to bother my mom. Chinchu, my mom's baby cat, and a little brat if you ask me, kept me company. We had a lot of fun ironing the fabric together. Finally, I started the sewing process, and this is how it turned out.
So Steve may have a wife.